is gearing up for launching another product revealed this month, but the latest teaser sparked more questions than excitement. While the company appears to ready to showcase the new Neo 2 drone globally, one key aspect is casting doubts whether American customers will get access to it at all. Rumors say that DJI's November plans began circulating over a month ago, suggesting the company has 3 product announcements lined up. So far, only one of them, the Osmo Mobile 8, has been launched globally. DJI later hinted Osmo Action 6 would follow suit on November 19th, but in an unexpected twist, the company dropped a new teaser for yet another announcement scheduled for November 13th. The teaser titled Fly Away implies that the November 13th event will focus on DJI Neo 2. DJI is even reusing the same teaser it employed for the Neo 2's launch in China on October 30th. That alone makes it fairly clear what's coming. Leaks also suggested for a mid-November reveal, adding more weight to the idea that DJI is simply rolling out the Neo 2 globally. It is complicated because the teaser does not load on DJI's US website. It returns in 404 error, which lines up with previous reports that DJI drones have been prohibited for sale in the US. If that's accurate, the Neo 2 will be absent from the American market despite being promoted worldwide.